In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot. Make sure that you're logged in into your Shopify account. Create a new tab, HubSpot. Here is Hubspot, which is an American developer market for software products. Let's click on here. And then you can click on Create Account on the top right corner. As if you know, HubSpot is actually paid SRM platform. So let's just click Get Started with a free demo. Connect your Google account or create one, as you can see right here. First name, last name, choose your industry. Drop shipping, for example. Click on Next. Marketer. Example test. Going to choose select one. And let's drop our Shopify store right here. Let's remove the key. Oh, sorry. So this is next. Where would you like your data to be hosted? EU, for example, and create your account. After your account has been created, head back to your Shopify. Click on Apps, Recommended Apps, and Shopify App Store, or alternatively, search in your favorite browser Shopify App Store. Let's go back. As you can see, for example, I'll say I've never used it, marketing, and let's go back here and let's search HubSpot. As you can see, here it is. Make sure it's by HubSpot. Click on it, go back to here, and I'm not going to actually start the demo. I'm going to just click X here, and here it is. Now I'm going to click Add App. And after waiting for my app to be added, I'm going to click Install App on the top right corner. Now, after my app has been successfully installed, I'm going to continue with this user, which is the same account I've created right here. As you can see, if you remember, we used example test. So continue this account, which already exists. And here we go. We've successfully installed HubSpot, you guys. See you guys in another video, and goodbye.